Best job listing sites. When you want to build a career, you want to have access to the best job sites. This will help bring in the best solutions and value on the market. It's not easy, but here are some tips and tricks to focus on. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Number 5. Glassdoor. Glassdoor is widely popular. It has 64+ million visits per month. They also have anonymous reviews from people that worked at those businesses. In addition, they also provide salary comparisons. Number 4. Simply Hired. Simply Hired has more than 100 job boards, and you'll have no problem finding the right job to suit your needs. They update their listing with a lot of important information, and the results are very impressive every time. Number 3. LinkedIn. LinkedIn can be a great source for jobs too, despite being mostly a social website at its core. You can find jobs pretty easily here. All you need is to commit to the process and pick the right one to suit your needs. Number 2. Monster. Monster has employee reviews, company profiles, as well as a huge database of current jobs. It features everything you need and so much more. So, if you want to find the right job for yourself, this is the right place to do it. And number 1. Careerbuilder. Here, you can add your resume and then search using varied keywords. It's a pretty simple solution and one that can bring in front creative ideas for you to explore. The ability to rely on keywords does help quite a bit, and the value is incredible. At the end of the day, good career websites will help a lot. You just need to make the right pick. It can bring on a bit of a trial and error approach, but if you take your time, the results can be very good. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to us and turn the notifications on.